We're fact checkers. Of course, malala yung trust issues namin.
Nakita niyo na ba? Hiwalay na daw sila
Sino na naman yan?
Nakita ko lang sa Twitter
Parang wala pa naman silang sinasabi
Kaya nga hintayin mo munang sabihin ni Mama Ogs.
Mama, oh.
We're fact checkers. Siyempre priority namin maghanap ng primary sources.
Pero pag wala naman, naghahanap kami ng tatlong secondary sources, kagaya ng news reports.
We're fact checkers. Of course, nakaready na kami kapag may bagyo lindol. Kasi for sure, may kakalat na lumang picture o video dyan.
We're fact checkers. Of course, akala ng maraming tao, nagdi-delete kami ng post sa Facebook. Hindi part ng trabaho namin yun, no?
We're fact checkers. Of course, takbuhan kami ng mga kamag-anak naming ayaw ma-scam. Hello, Me. May bibilhin ka online. Gusto mong ipacheck kung legit. Sige. Send mo sa akin yung link.
We're fact checkers. Syempre, marami kaming haters for doing our job.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
We're fact checkers. Of course, hindi na lang kami puro fact check articles. May videos na rin kami. Subscribe po kayo sa aming YouTube and TikTok accounts.
We're fact checkers. At dahil International Fact Checking Day ngayon, of course, dapat nating tandaan na lahat tayo ay dapat maging maingat at maalam sa kung ano ang tama at maling impormasyon. Dahil kami dito sa Verifiles, naniniwalang everyone can and should be a fact checker.